Should I get neuropsychological testing for my chronic fatigue syndrome case? And I think the answer to that is no. Now, I know some people might disagree with me, and let me explain why I'm of this opinion. The manifestations of the disease are both physical and they can be cognitive or even psychiatric in nature. I find for the most part that the most effective test is a CPET exam, a cardiac pulmonary exercise test, because the primary presentation and disabling condition is the fatigue. Now, fatigue can cause problems of a cognitive nature and can be also secondary to depression. I don't necessarily like to get into the neuropsychological testing for a couple reasons. One is that it can be hard to tease out what problems you're having in executive functioning or other cognitive issues because of the disease, as opposed to the fatigue, as opposed to psychological problems such as depression. And that's important because many times in a disability insurance policy, there are two clauses that we need to be concerned about. One is the subjective medical condition limitation that says benefits are limited to just 2 years if your medical condition is based on a subjective condition. It'll even list this disease. So your benefits will be limited to just 2 years. But more importantly, there's the mental nervous policy limitation, and that comes in two flavors. One of the flavors is if your medical condition is caused or contributed to, ever so slightly, by depression or other psychological problems, benefits are limited to just 2 years. And I don't want to be submitting a neuropsychological test that indicates that you're depressed, because benefits will be limited to 2 years. I want to keep this as clean as I can in terms of a physical disability as opposed to a cognitive or a psychological disability. If you have any questions about your rights to long-term disability benefits, I can help you, regardless of where you live in the United States and regardless of your occupation. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I look forward to helping you get the disability benefits you deserve.